Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys on how to make $50 a day without selling anything. So let me show you guys some proof. So you can see here, this is my Facebook ad account. You can see here, I just spent like $23, almost $24 in the last 4 days. It's just a $5 per day campaign. And you can see here, in the last 4 days it made $73. That's more than 100% on return, guys. By far, this is the easiest way you can make money online in 2020. So before I dive in, if you're someone who's totally new to this channel, make sure leave a like and a comment on this video because I will be answering all your questions. And do leave a like on this video, guys, because it will help me go on YouTube. So the method I'm going to teach you guys on this video is called traffic arbitrage, which means getting traffic from cheap sources like Facebook, Pinterest or other sources and selling it to Google Adsense, because Google Adsense is the biggest ad network in the world and they pay a lot of money for the traffic you drive to their websites. So let me show you guys some example on how you can do this. So all you need is a Facebook profile and a website. So you can see here, you can get your website from bluehost.com, links in the description. You can use that. That's my affiliate link. And it's just going to cost you like $4 per month, guys. You can get your domain here. You can get your hosting here. You can get everything from this website. So first, let me show you guys on how to find the right article and promote it on Facebook ads. So all you need to do is just type health on Facebook search bar and just follow pages like this, guys, daily health post, or else you can see here, these are the health pages on Facebook. There are a lot of pages on Facebook, health plus or health digest. So all these pages have a lot of websites, and what they do is they just promote articles on their Facebook pages. So what you need to do is just go ahead and like all these pages and follow them. So once you've done that, just go to their Facebook pages and find some winning article. Like what you need to do is you need to look for the comments and shares, guys. So that means they have a lot of engagement, and it can also perform well for you when you run ads. So you can see this one has like 4 shares and 8 likes. So this is something related to sleeping and how to improve your sleep. So they're just giving us 9 foods which can improve our sleep. So what you need to do is just go to their website. So let me go to this website. So you can see here. So this is their website, 9 foods to naturally increase the melatonin for better sleep. So what you can do is just copy this and give it to your writer, or you can hire someone from Content Development Pros or iWriter.com to write your own content. So once you've done that, just publish this exact article on your WordPress website, and you need to start promoting this article on Facebook ads. So before I show you how to promote this article on Facebook ads, first let me show you guys one of my winning campaign which is making me money every single day. So you can see here, this is one of my Facebook ad account where I ran some small tests to find winning articles. So you can see it's a traffic campaign, and I'll show you guys everything on how to create the campaigns and everything. It's just showing you guys that it's possible in 2020. So this particular campaign spent $24 and got almost 1,300 clicks from tier 1 country, guys. I only target tier 1 countries. I don't target tier 2 countries on Facebook. So let me break down by country so you can see the country. So I just targeted United States of America, USA, on this campaign, and I got like 1,322 clicks from United States for 0.01 cents. Sorry, it's 0.02 cents. That's an average. On some days I get clicks for 0.01 cents. So let me also break down by time, and let me you can see here, and I've been running this campaign for last 4 days. So let me remove that country, so you can see the dates clear. So you can see here, on first I started this campaign. So you can see the timeline, it's lifetime. So on the day 1 it spent like $2, almost $2. So let me show you guys the results on that day. So on July 1st it made $5, that's US dollars, $5. And let me go back to the ad account. So you can see here, on July 2nd it spent like $6 and made back $15. So let me go back to the ad account. So you can see here, on 3rd we spent like $8, and on 4th we spent like $7. These are real numbers, guys. So let me refresh the screen. So you can see here, I just refreshed the Facebook ad account, and on 3rd it just spent like $8. Pretty much all these clicks are from United States. So on 3rd it spent 8, and on 4th it spent like almost $8 because 4th is today. So let me go back to the ad account. This is my Adsense account, sorry. So on 3rd it made $28. We just spent like $8 on the ad account, and we made back $28. And on 4th today it made like $23. It just spent like $7. So every day we spend $10 and we make back $20 in profit. That's more than 200% return. So this is what we do. We just find articles from other website and we rewrite it and we publish it on our website and we promote it on Facebook ads. So you can see here it spent like $24 and almost made us like $75. That's more than 200%. So actually almost 200%. So if you're someone who's totally new to this channel, make sure you check out my AdSense arbitrage course on Udemy. It's just going to cost you like $10. You can see here I have like 4.4 rating on Udemy and I almost have like 400 students on that. So I have updated the course and I have added a 2020 update because I did this course back in 2018 December, those times 2019 times, but I'm still started updating the course. So if you're someone who's totally new, make sure you watch all my course videos and make sure you watch this one, which is a 2020 update, where I started adding more videos and I have added a case study on how to do Facebook ads, and we'll be adding more to it, and we'll be keep on updating this course. So if you're someone who's totally new, make sure you check out my course, and if you're someone who's already in the course, I'm happy for that. You keep on getting new content. I have added all my links in the description so you can easily find this course. So let me go back to the Facebook ad account and let me show you guys how to run the Facebook ad. So before I show you guys on how to run Facebook ads, this particular plugin is very important. So you can see here it's the post slider. Just search it on Google, it will take you to this website. You can see here it provides us like these buttons are very important to do this thing. So like we don't promote articles just like that, we split them by let me show you guys some examples. You can see here, so we split them by slides. So on each slide we have an image and a sentence like this. You can see here, let me go to the next one, so you can see here, so we need this particular plugin. This is the best plugin out there. It's just going to cost you like $10-20 for a website. So just go ahead and purchase it on bcodepixel.com. So let me show you guys what it does. So you can see here this website uses this exact plugin and they have this next button here. So if I click this, it will take me to the next slide. So this website uses this particular button to navigate through next post. So we're not going to do this. Let me show you guys an example. So let me go to this website. It's healthandresearch.org. You can also look at that. So you can see anti-aging foods, and what they're doing is they have slides and they have split each topic on each slide. So on this slide they have red wine. So let me click on this button. So you can see here tomatoes. So if I click this button, it will get me to the next slide, and it has like walnuts. So you need this plugin, guys, because this is the easiest way you can install it. So once you've done that, let me go back to the Facebook ad account and let's start creating some Facebook ads. So what you need to do is just click on create, and it will take you to this section. Let me turn off this one. So you can see here we need to click on traffic because we just need traffic. We don't need engagements or anything else. And we need to turn off the campaign budget optimization. And let me go to the next step. So let me click on website. So we need website traffic, and so the location. So what we need to do is we need to target all tier 1 countries, or else if you just want traffic from tier 2 countries or else particular country, you can also do that. So let me try United States. So you can see I'm just targeting United States on this campaign. And age range, it's all about the article you're promoting. If I promote article something about health and wellness, then I'll target about 40 plus, like 30-35 plus. So let me go to the 40 range. So you can see here 40 to 65 plus, because those are the people who read about health a lot compared to young people. So the gender, it's also all about the article you're promoting. If you're promoting some articles something related to, so that's why just keep it broad. So let me show you guys some examples. So if you're going to promote articles something on health or anti-aging, then just type skin, because skin is something related to you can see here. So if I'm promoting that anti-aging article, then I will just target skin and just target women's, because women's are more like women's gives much more importance to skin compared to men's. So this is something related to them. So I just target skin and women's. So language, you don't have to give anything on this section because we're just targeting United States. Pretty much everyone in the state will be know English. So you can see people living in or resident in the location, we just leave that as it is. And once you've done that, just go to the placements. So on placements, you just remove Instagram because we don't need Instagram. We can get enough traffic from Facebook. So just leave everything as it is and come to this section, budget and schedule. So we only need to run ads for $3 or $5 because the the more budget you give to Facebook, it like to spend it. So don't give much budget to your ad campaigns or your ad sets. So each ad set on my ad accounts will only have like $3 to $5 per ad set. So you can see I just gave like $3. And what you can do is, if you want to increase the budget, just duplicate the one with just $3. Don't increase the budget, because the more budget you give, Facebook like to spend it and it will increase the cost. So just leave it as it is, $3 or $5, then click on continue. So what we need to do is, you just need to select the Facebook page, and once you have that, we need to start creating our Facebook ad account. So before I show you guys how to create the Facebook ad, let me show you guys a place where you can find some images to use for your ads, because the more CTR you have, the less CPC you get, which means like you need to increase the CTR to get cheap clicks from Facebook. So that's how Facebook ads work. So let me go back to Facebook ad account and Facebook profile. So you can see here, this is my profile, and let me go to this particular page, and you can see here, this particular page is something related to my niche, health niche. So we need to find images, like you can also create your own image, but you can also get images from this particular website, this particular Facebook page. So let me scroll down. You can see images like this will perform well, and you can see our top 10 surgeries that are high risk. But don't promote articles like this, guys, because I don't think Facebook will accept it. Let me show you guys some example images. Okay, you can see here, images like this will perform well, because like panic attack, decreased frontal lobe. There's nothing against the terms, but still article like this will easily get you like 6 to 10% CTR. Anything above 9% CTR on Facebook ad account will get you very cheap clicks, guys. This is the trick. Always target high CTR images. So these images might perform well when you target women's. So you can see here, these images will perform well. And let me also show you guys some different images. You can see here, images like this will perform incredibly well. You can see here, 17 foods that increase magnesium and prevent high blood pressure. So you can easily copy this article, guys. Just go to this website and copy the URL and give it to someone who can rewrite it. Then you can easily start promoting this article on your website. So what you need to do is just left click and open the image in new tab. You can see here, so it opens the image. So just save the image to your desktop, and let me go back to the Facebook ad account so we can start creating the ad. So what you need to do is, you just need to click on the add media and add the image. So you can see here, just add it there, and we need to add the URL. So I just copied this particular article's URL, the magnesium one. So let me go back to the ad account. So you can see here, I just added the URL here. So we just need learn more, and you can see here, so this is how our ad is going to look on desktop. So let me go back to desktop. So this is how it look on desktop, and this is how it look on mobile. So you can see here, people will click on this ad because of this particular, like you can see here, it's an animation, it has some red circle on it. So like mostly images like this will increase the CTR on your ad account, and it increase the engagements, because people will be more interested on clicking ads like this compared to other ads on Facebook, because other ads won't have colors like this, or animation structure like this. So always use images like this. So what you need to do is you need to add some primary text. So let me go back to the article. So it's all about top 17 food with high magnesium. So let me copy that. So you can see here, so I can use this one. So these two lines is good. So let me go back to the ad account and paste it here. So you can see here, first and foremost, the best way up your magnesium level is to change your diet to include more magnesium rich foods. Top 17 for food high in magnesium. So once you're done that, just go ahead and click on confirm. Then it will take into the review process, and mostly your ad will get approved, guys, because I have done this multiple times. Mostly articles like this will get uploaded easily on Facebook. So pretty much that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure you check out my Adsense course on Udemy. It's just going to cost you like $10, and I will be adding more content to it. So make sure you stay on the course, and make sure you take action. Pretty much that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and see you guys in the next video.